Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we have this new spell with manifestation of using this one. But in case you are new here on this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and press notification bell on. When I post my video, be the first one to get my notification. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any suggestion or you have any question. Today we are back again and we have this new spell with manifestation of using sea salt. How to receiving unexpected money. How to let money flowing to you immediately after you taking this kind of spell. Before we starting doing this kind of spell, make sure that you're having a belief, you're having a trust, and you're having a faith that this spell will work for you, and then you can proceed in doing the spell. Because of the power which you have inside yourself, the vibration which you have inside yourself, and don't forget about the energy which you have inside yourself. When you do this kind of spell, it will be easy to work for you as it works for others. Just watch my video till the end and I'll telling you exactly how the way you can letting money flowing to you as you can see it on my video. The few ingredients we need to have before we starting doing this kind of spell. The first ingredient, make sure that you're having a sea salt, and this is my sea salt. The second one, make sure that you having a bay leaves, and this is my bay leaves. And then another ingredient, make sure that you having a maca pen, and this is maca pen of today, the one which I wanna using it today to make sure that this spell will work for you. And the last ingredient, make sure that you're having a glass, a cup, and even a container to make sure that this kind of spell is work for you, and then you can proceed in doing the spell. So how the way you can do this spell and let money flowing to you, just watch my video till the end and I'll telling you exactly how the way you can do this kind of spell when you at home. First of all, you need to having a bay leaf with you, and this is my bay leaves, the one which I'm using today. And after you taking this bay leaves, you need to having this maca pen, and this is my maca pen, the one which I'm using today. And then after you're taking the bay leaves, you need to write in here the sign of your current on your home country. Maybe the sign of your current is T shillings. So here we're writing T shillings. Like you can see, this is what T shillings. But if in case your sign of the money is dollar, so we're writing here dollar. If your sign of your money is euro, then we're writing euro. But if in case your sign of money is about any kind of currency you're using out there, you need to write in here on this a piece of paper. Then after you're finishing writing on this piece of paper, remember to writing it only for 5 times. 5 times that number is a fortunate number. That number will helping you to receiving money. That number will helping you to bring money to your family and bring money to you and changing your life and be rich again. Then after you're finishing writing all the number here, then next here on the below, down below on this bay leaves, writing the amount of money which you want. The amount of money which you want is the $1,000, as you can see it on my video, how the way I writing my $1,000. And the next is we need to having our glass with us. And this is my glass, the one which I'm using today. And then after you taking this glass, you need to having this bay leaf with you and putting inside your glass. Make sure that this bay leaf is not even cutting by itself. Even no matter how big is it, should be like this. So I want to share with you how the way it should be. Then after you're finishing putting a bay leaves inside, then you need to taking this sea salt. When you're taking this sea salt, remember that you're just taking like this, only one hand of sea salt. Remember that this number of the sea salt you can count by yourself easier. So taking this bay leaves, lay it down and make sure that all the number is on the top like this. Should be like this, the bay leaves inside. So here, because I tried to putting it, is not easy. Then taking the sea salt and putting inside, and then say you attract money, and you attract money, and you attract money, and you want money flowing to you, and you want money flowing to you, and you want money flow to you. Then after you're finishing putting the sea salt like this inside your bay leaves, as you can see it in my video, how the way I putting it right here. The next is we need to having our 2 coin to your home country. It depends on you which coin you're having out there. If in case you're living on the place there's no coin, it's not necessary to having a coin. But if in case you're living on the place which is easy to get a coin, then you can using the coin then to proceed in this kind of spell. The best way you can taking this kind of spell, you need to having maybe a silver coin, or you can even having a golden coin. Taking the coin and putting inside to the this mixture. Then when you put inside to this mixture, then said you want to attract money, and you want to attract money, and you want to attract money to you, and let money flow into your life. And then after you finishing chanting and speaking, remember to mention your own name. Remember that when you said everything should be, you mention your full name. Maybe your name is Cutie Flora. Make sure that you mention Cutie Flora. Don't use your nickname on this kind of a spell. With your own belief and with your own trust. And then after you finishing adding everything, the last one we need to having our water with us. And this is my water, the one which I'm using today. And I adding water inside. Make sure that the bay leaf is not going on the top like this one. The bay leaf is still down there with the sea salt. So you need to having a lot of sea salt when you're putting inside to this glass. So the bay leaf should stay there. And then after you finishing doing like this, then the spell is ready to use. So who can using this spell? This spell can using anyone who want to attract money, who want to receiving money, who want to let money flowing to you non-stop after you taking this kind of spell. The best way you can take in this kind of spell, I recommending you to taking a glass like this, and you can start talking and speaking and chanting with this glass. When you're talking and speaking on this glass, you will start to feel the vibration, you will feel the energy, and you will feel the power inside of this glass. And then after that, you can keep proceeding doing this one. So let me show you some example. Keep the glass close to your mouth, and after you keep the glass close to your mouth, say, I want to receive money. Let the money flow into me. Let the money flow into me. I believe, I trust, I having a faith, and the universe was surprising me. And I waiting for the money to knock on my door. Then after you finish and manifest, taking this glass and go and putting it to the window, guys. You need to put in this cup of water to the window. When you put the cup of this water to the window, you will start to attract money. The money will start flowing to you. Some with good luck and blessing to your family. And this is the only way you can do. Let the sun rise to get the energy from the sun. Letting the moon to let the energy and putting it here, and let the sky also to adding the energy on this spell. And then the vibration which this spell will get, the energy which this spell will get, the power which you will get on this spell, you will feel like there is a changes to your life. You will starting receiving money non-stop after you taking this kind of spell. So what are you waiting for? Just do the spell, and then you will see how the way it will work for you. So how many times you need to do this kind of spell, and which time the best time to do this kind of spell? Before I proceed, remember that I having application from your Google Play Store. You can go and download it there. Type Cutie Flora, and you will get straight in my application, which I teaching you extraordinarily a video step by step, so you will know exactly where to start and where to end. So guys, let us proceed. For what time you can using this kind of a spell? This kind of spell, I recommending people to using it early morning. Remember that, don't using it during dark. You can just taking it from the time of the 7 a.m. up to 10 a.m. It depends on you. Don't do it during evening. Only at morning you can do this spell. Even if you do even early morning, it's better also, it's work. And you can keep this glass there. If you feel something is getting bad, please replace with a new one. So then in the way how you can let money flow into you. If you want money non-stop to your life, non-stop to you, this is the best solution. You were telling me. You will surprise on the result. You will thank me later for the result after you taking this kind of spell. So what are you waiting for, guys? Just do this kind of spell, and then you will see how the way it work for you. My name is Cutie Flora. If you are ready to receiving a miracle from the universe, and you believe and you having a trust on this, just comment down below. I'm ready to receiving the miracle from the universe, and I want the universe to changing my life. I believe and I trust and I having a faith. Till next time, thank you for watching, and thank you for being with me. Bye bye.